Hello, I'm Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, and I create YouTube tutorials regarding different digital marketing questions. So this is one such video. But before I start, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. So let's get started on this. So the question today I have is, hello Ali Raza, I need suggestions. I'm not getting any getting organic traffic from my website. 9 month domain age, backlinks are sufficient, indexing is done, and technical SEO is going done. It means, are you doing it, or have you done it? It's a little bit confusion over here. So, but in SEMrush, we don't get organic traffic. What are the things needs to be checked? Waiting for good suggestions. Okay, so even in any marketing strategy, my first is to look on your competitors and figure out what your competitor strategies are doing. Learning from your competitors is an awesome, short, quick way to get an idea what can be done to improve your marketing strategies. So here I'm going to recommend you. My first strategy is over here is to look on your competitors. Competitors can teach you a lot, and then how many articles you have on your website. I'm referring unique articles. I think you need to develop a pattern. You need to develop a pattern of like 2 to 3 posts week, and you should have around more than 50-60 articles. I recommend you to go with 100 plus articles, and that can can take time but can bring very good results. Consistency is the key over here. But technical edit, what do you mean? Because I have seen cases where websites have improved just by doing right technical SEO audit. So in case if you need such thing, me and my team can help you and optimize your website regarding SEO. Just follow the link in the description to, in case if you want to work with us. So I think technical SEO needs to be done rightly. I even created a video regarding technical SEO audit, and it's already being placed on my YouTube channel. It is for my own blog where I discuss on how technical SEO audit improved our website traffic, website views. So I think that is a very important thing. Your website can have broken links. You may not know, don't know about it. Your website do not have any, apart from unique articles. Even in articles, I think that the segment or structure of article is very important. As a marketer, I want my readers to read my articles total. So structure of article is very important. You can improve it by having doing interlinking with other articles, so that in case if a user has came, he should visit other articles as well. Proper images, proper videos, that can help you with this. Indexing is not an issue. You link your website with Google Search Console and see if they point any error. They can point any error or penalty. For instance, you may have a penalty regarding speed or any algorithmic penalty. You can look around on that as well. Also, regularly updating your old articles is another important aspect over here. Regular update old articles. Okay, there is another thing which I'm going to tell. When you search around on Google Search Console, look for articles which are in top 2, or top 20 positions or 30 positions. So what you are going to do is specifically optimize those articles, plus create a silo or tropical structure for those articles and create relevant to them. So in case if you can see that if an article is ranked, the article will also be ranked for other similar keywords as well. So you can create headings on existing article plus create different articles for that similar keywords, and that can help you in improving your ranking. Do the internal linking, also external linking to authority websites such as case studies, Wikipedia can help. As far as backlinks are required, I think a backlink audit needs to be done to see from where backlinks are being coming from. You have to disavow old backlinks and gain few new backlinks as well, and this can help you in getting your website sorted. So I hope you like few of the strategies which I discussed on, and I hope this answers your question regarding your website receiving no traffic, and I think you can figure out on these things. And in case if you want me or my team service in improving your website SEO or health, you are more than welcome to reach me through the link in the description of this video. Once again, thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Thank you and bye bye.